This is episode 2176 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. As we continue with our series, we are now midweek exploring peace on earth, just in time for Christmas and the New Year's next week. In today's episode, you are going to be guided in a meditation to help you experience peace. I invite you to try a mudra. You are invited to try the Gyan mudra, which is possibly the most recognizable, simplest mudra you can do. A mudra is a way you position your hands and fingers that stimulates a corresponding region of your brain. It's similar to acupressure, and you could think of the mudras as yoga in your hands, as they're often referred to. To do the Gyan mudra, you simply touch your thumb tip to your index fingertip, the Gyan mudra. So you're creating a circle with your index finger and thumb touching each other. Your other fingers are gently extended outward. This represents unity, a circle, its whole completeness. And this is how you feel as you meditate. It's the goal of meditation. And in this season of peace, and as we get ready to enter a brand new year, 2021, peace and unity is what we seek most these days of uncertainty. If you'd like to see how the mudra is done, you can see a photo of it on my Sip and Om Instagram account. Also, if you'd like for me to share your unique meditation journey, I would love to hear from you. You can reach out to me by sending me a direct message to my Sip and Om Instagram account. You can also reach out to me at mary@sipandom.com. You can also leave a review. I'd love to hear from you. It means so much to me when you leave a review. I really thank all of you who have taken the time to let me know how the meditations are helping you. Your fellow meditator, Ramith from India, says that he meditates every morning before he goes to work. And he finds that he's able to meditate at work during his break. He says, "My favorite meditation technique is the mudras. I really appreciate that you offer a different mudra each week that's customized with the theme, because there are so many different mudras that I find that I often forget how to do them. I enjoy knowing that other listeners of this podcast are also likely doing the week's mudra." Thank you, Ramit. I appreciate that you reached out to me to let me know how much you enjoy a specific technique. As you get ready to settle yourself down to do a peace and unity meditation today, I want to mention that I'm going to be offering a 30-minute special gift to you of Christmas Eve and Christmas Day meditations right here on the podcast. I know many of you are going to be celebrating the holidays differently this year. In yesterday's episode, I shared with you how you could give yourself a personal reflective retreat. So tomorrow and the next day's meditations will offer you a full 30-minute guided meditation. So now close your eyes, straight spine, uplift your eyes ever so gently to the point between your eyebrows at your spiritual eye. Begin to notice your breath as you calm your mind and your body. Notice where you may hold tension in your body. Gently release the tension as best as you can. Notice the rhythm and flow of your breath with each inhale through your nose and each exhale through your nose. You may touch your index finger with your thumb, creating a circle of unity, the Gyan Mudra. Focus on peace, mentally affirming, peace is all around me. Allow yourself to experience a deep connection right where you are right now. Feeling gratitude for people in your life, for all you have and all you are. Continue sitting in stillness for however long you feel comfortable doing so. Ending your meditation at that point where you could go a little bit longer. Always end your meditation on a high note. You are so worth slowing down for.